Hey kids! Ever feel bored and don't know what to do? No worries, we've got 100 fun, creative and exciting ideas just for you. Let's go! Let's start with 10 creative and artistic ideas. Number 1. Draw or colour a picture. Grab some crayons and let your imagination run wild. Number 2. Make a scrapbook. Number 3. Create your very own comic book. Number 4. Paint a rock or a canvas. Number 5. Design a greeting card and surprise someone. Number 6. Write a short story or poem. Number 7. Try origami and fold cool paper animals. Number 8. Make a stop-motion animation. Number 9. Create a paper airplane contest. And number 10. Build something amazing with Legos. Now let's head outside for 10 outdoor adventures. Number 11. Go on a nature scavenger hunt. Number 12. Build a fort outside. Number 13. Play hopscotch. Number 14. Fly a kite on a windy day. Number 15. Ride your bike or scooter. Number 16. Have a backyard picnic. Number 17. Collect leaves and try to identify them. Number 18. Jump rope and learn a cool trick. Number 19. Look up at the clouds and find shapes. And number 20. Plant flowers or vegetables. Time to have fun with friends and family. Number 21. Play a board game. Number 22. Put on a puppet show. Number 23. Learn a new card game. Number 24. Have a dance party. Number 25. Make your own escape room challenge. Number 26. Cook a simple recipe with an adult. Number 27. Do a blindfold taste test challenge. Number 28. Play charades and act silly. Number 29. Build a giant pillow fort. Number 30. Have a karaoke contest. Who says learning can't be fun? Number 31. Read a book or listen to an audiobook. Number 32. Learn a new language. Number 33. Try a fun science experiment. Number 34. Solve a tricky puzzle. Number 35. Research a fun fact and share it. Number 36. Write in a journal. Number 37. Start a question of the day notebook. Number 38. Memorize a poem or Bible verse. Number 39. Watch a documentary about animals or space. Number 40. Try a fun math challenge. Time to make some music. Number 41. Write a song. Number 42. Play an instrument. Number 43. Learn a new dance. Number 44. Make homemade drums or maracas. Number 45. Try voice acting with silly voices. Number 46. Put on a musical play or skit. Number 47. Create a fun music playlist. Number 48. Learn a hand clap game. Number 49. Make a lip sync video. Number 50. Try beatboxing. Get crafty. Number 51. Make friendship bracelets. Number 52. Build a cardboard city. Number 53. Create a sensory bottle. Number 54. Make a sock puppet. Number 55. Try tie-dye on an old shirt. Number 56. Make a bird feeder. Number 57. Create a scrapbook for a friend of favourite memories. Number 58. Try sewing or cross-stitching. Number 59. Make a collage from old magazines. Number 60. Decorate a notebook. Stay active. Number 61. Play hide and seek. Number 62. Do a mini obstacle course. Number 63. Have a relay race. Number 64. Try beginner yoga. Number 65. Play freeze tag. Number 66. Learn a new sport. Number 67. Have a hula hoop contest. Number 68. Set a new jump rope record. Number 69. Play Simon Says. Number 70. Try a workout video for kids. Stay helpful and kind. Number 71. Write a thank you note to someone. Number 72. Help a neighbour with chores. Number 73. Make a card for someone who is sick. Number 74. Pick up litter in your neighbourhood. Number 75. Donate old toys or clothes. Number 76. Help cook a meal for the family. Number 77. Create a kindness challenge. Number 78. Make a list of things you're grateful for. Number 79. Walk a pet or help take care of animals. Number 80. Smile at 5 people today. Do you like science and exploring? Number 81. Make a homemade volcano. Number 82. Look at the stars and learn a constellation. Number 83. Collect and study different rocks. Number 84. Try making invisible ink. Number 85. Learn how to code a simple game. Number 86. Watch insects and document what they do. Number 87. Make a baking soda and vinegar experiment. Number 88. Build a model of the solar system. Number 89. Try growing a crystal. Number 90. Find a cool bug and learn about it. Time for some technology and digital fun. Number 91. Create a digital artwork. Number 92. Record a fun video journal. Number 93. Learn a simple coding project. Number 94. Play an educational app. Number 95. Design a website for fun. Number 96. Try virtual museum tours. Number 97. Make a slideshow of favourite photos. Number 98. Try a new photography challenge. Number 99. Create a fun scavenger hunt using technology. And finally, last but not least, number 100, listen to a podcast for kids. Wow, that was 100 awesome things to do when you're bored. Which ones were your favourite? If you can't remember, grab a pen and paper and restart it so you can write down the ones you want to try next time you're bored. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our other videos at the Kids with Character channel. See you next time.